Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Crescent Philly, and today we have a very interesting video. I've never done this before, so I have this idea. I want to do a crochet hairstyle. So guys, I bought this hair. It's from Darling and it was only 150 Kenyan shillings. So I was like, I will buy, and then the idea of the hairstyle that I want will come later. So when was it? So it's 2 days ago I came up with this idea to do my hair like this. So I wanted to make a wig with this hair, but yesterday I was like, you know what, I can crochet this hair to my natural hair, and that way it will last longer, and then I will not manipulate my natural hair as much. So I was like, let's do that hairstyle. So today I want to try this hair, not to try the hair, but okay, to try the hair, and also I want to do the hairstyle. I've never crocheted anything on my hair, on my natural hair. So today is the first time and I'm doing it with this hair. It's Marley kinky. I've never used this type of hair before, guys. I only have this one pack. I hope it will be enough. So the hairstyle I'm going for, I want it to look more of a wig like this. I have 9 lines. They are all going to the back. They have even written the 150. So they were on offer, guys. I just picked one pack. I hope this will be enough. So yeah, let's do this, guys. I'm applying some oil. So I'm going to cut them into 2.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to
Why is this smaller?
feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher.
So maybe when we combine these two, these ones are enough for my head. It's crocheted, okay? And I'm not crocheting like with this full one. I'm dividing this one like into 3. So this one is gonna be enough.
The night's young, it has just begun. As she puts her hand in mine.
Before I separate this one strand into 3 pieces, guys, I'm prepping the uncut ends first so that it can be easier for me. And yeah, this is how I'm separating this one strand. Because of its kinky state, it's very difficult to separate this hair. You can see me struggling, and if you are not careful, guys, you can ruin this hair. And I'm being very careful, guys, to not ruin this hair, because as I shown you guys, I have only one pack and I'm hoping that it's going to be enough for my head. I have these 3, and now let me show you how I'm going to crochet it. So guys, I'm inserting my crochet needle into my natural hair, and then I'm adding the kinky hair to the hook, closing the hook, and then pulling the needle out. And then this is how I'm going to finish off.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just 2 hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top.
Basically, guys, that is what I'm doing to get my desired hairstyle, and I'm not doing anything different. So I'm going to repeat the same steps until I'm done with my whole head. So guys, I'm going to show you a few more times how I'm doing this in slow motion, and then we will speed up everything.
Gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again.
By the way, guys, I posted a short form video of this hairstyle on my TikTok account and people have been loving it, and I got a lot of questions on where I got the hair from. So the short answer is that I got it from a local shop, and it was just because they were on offer, guys, so I just grabbed one, and that's it. If you're not following me on TikTok, guys, please go and follow me there at Crescent Philly.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. Summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. Shot from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be.
Imagine, guys, from one pack, this is what remained, a lot of it. And wait, guys, who is this? Do you recognize who this is? Oh my goodness, it turned out so beautiful, so cute. Tell me your thoughts in the comment section.